We found big ones and small ones and small ones and big ones today. We dug for diamonds and found some, you see.
Okay, so we got, is this Leonardo? Who is this? Leonardo, right? Donatello, Leonardo, Michelangelo, Raphael, yeah, I think that. So we got, this chicken, Caesar chicken salad with chicken and Caesar. And then you have this market side Italian herb. There you go, there you go. Death of a bachelor. Making spaghetti. I got this heating up right now. Got something I want to say. Baby, won't you come my way? First thing, start by singing this. Hey. Okay, so I'm gonna just put all of this. And then I got this technique from my mom. You do it at home. Just let it sit there and it gets softer and softer, and you can just put it more and more in. You know, just kind of push it in once it gets more soft. And we got this one. Okay, so it's getting a little softer here. But not soft enough, it's still not going. I usually break these in half, I don't know why I did. Well, I broke up a lot of it. Anyways. It's getting really hot now. Dang nabbit! Goodbye! Man, this is not fitting here, man. Look at this. Look at these. I got this one. Water. I'm recording real quick. Too much stuff.
Just move it back, dude.
No, just leave it.
That's too close. Look.
Oh, yeah. Thanks. Let me put it on here, like so.
Tastes spicy.
Spicy? Maybe that sauce you got.
You pick that sauce.
Mmm. Oh yeah, this sauce is
You
spicy.
need help? No.
You okay?
Jordan, will help her. Cause that.
No, she's not. Mm. Man, I picked a good sauce, huh? It's kind of spicy though.
It's good. My soup, my thing is already cold for some reason.
Mine. I put mine the same amount as you. It's colder than last time, even?
No, last time was literally.
Yeah, because I didn't eat up the thing at all. You want some salami? I wanted to heat my salami up in there, but I knew that you didn't want to do that. Because you don't eat these meats. What is salami made out of anyway?
Pig. What happened? Oh, you did? She fixed it.
Yay. I also want to see if this is any good. This guac. How old is this guac?
I can't answer.
It smells good.
Well, if there was.
I just wasn't refrigerated. Yeah, it tastes fine.
You fixed it? Yeah. Oh. Yay! Oh, you put the what? You put the oil in the pennies too?
Yeah.
Um,
I don't think they'll like the oil.
yeah.
And I,
You repel them, right?
yeah, they're like, oh, why?
We don't like it.
It's not this brown.
Hmm.